Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pritham and welcome to my channel PRITHS. So in this channel I am covering the entire thing regarding fashion designing related required things, all these things from basic design to final ramp walk, all these things I am covering in this channel. And in this section I am covering the illustration process, like from the basic design block figure to illustration figure, hairstyle, eyes, nose, different type of hairstyle, all these things. So I have find that you guys are doing really well, and in my previous video I have shown you the eyes, nose, hairstyles, all these things. And I find one thing that some of you guys are struggling in these hands, so making hands. So in fashion figure it's little difficult to make all these things. So see, it's not the basic hand you required. You need to draw a stylized pose. See, if you notice in any normal fashion show, you can find that all these poses are very stylized. So you have to draw it in a stylized way. So I'll try to make all these things to teach you in this video. So just remember one thing, you just need to cover just little blocks. See, this is the blocks and this is the second block and these are the third block. You need to cover all the blocks, and if you find the blocks one time, then you can easily do it. So let's do it. So first of all, I need to draw the straight line as I do always. This is called balanced line too. See, for hands I need to show the full body, means why these hands is very important, why in stylized pose hand is very important portion. So that's why I'm just showing in the full body. I have shown in my previous video how to draw this kind of body from block figure to simple nude figure to stylized block figure, stylized nude figure. So I am doing here a stylized nude figure. See, like this, as I shown you earlier in my video. You can check in my playlist. See, the legs I am doing. Now the hand. See, I have noticed some of you always some of students avoid the hand portion because it's little difficult for them. So just check it how I am showing the hands. See, you just need to find the blocks as I discussed earlier. See, I am showing you in a larger way these hands. See, this is the waist portion. See how I am doing the hand. See, this is the first block I am doing. See the wrist portion. This is the first block. See, and this will be the second block. This portion. See, I'm just drawing the block. This is the second block, and this will be the third block as I discussed. See, now I need to draw the upper portion of the finger. See, I'm drawing the upper portion of the finger. See the finger, and now I'm doing the lower portion of the finger. This is the bulky portion of your finger, so that's why it will look like this. See, my hand structure is almost ready. See the bone structure. Now I need to do little bit of darker tone. because I'm doing with just pencil, so that's why I require these things. Otherwise if you do with the colors, so it's not required. So to make it little bit attractive, I need to do the darker tone. See, like this. See, now I think I should do the nails. See, it's almost ready. The nails, I don't need to focus on this detailing. See, my hands is almost ready. See, now I am showing these hands in a larger way. See, I'm doing from this side. Okay, see the bone structure. This is the thumb portion. See, with some little strokes you can just get the structure. See how I'm doing? You just need to find out the blocks. See, it's very simple. If you just once understand the blocks, where from where the first block, from where the second block and third block will be start, then you can do any kind of hand. See, this hand I am doing in a separate way, in a different style. See, for always in fashion figure, ladies hand you must do little bit of longer to make it really beautiful. See the first block portion. This is the thumb portion. This is the second block, the finger. See how I am just doing some simple strokes. See, this is the second block and this is third block, like this. See how easy I'm just doing it. See, now I just need to do little bit of darker to make it attractive. See the first block, second block and third block. See the darker tone and the bone structure make your drawing little bit attractive. See, so my work is complete. That's it. Hey, so I hope you get the point how to find the blocks, how to just do the simple strokes to make a beautiful hand, a stylized hand. I hope you can do it now. So in such way I'll cover all the things regarding fashion show, from the visualizing your fashion designing things, the visualizing a design, to making this presentation lightly, to present your garment in a big ramp, in a very good and stylized way. So I'll share my experience and I'll make you do so. So I hope you like this. So if you like the way I'm presenting all these things, from illustration to all these fashion design related things, so you can just like it and can subscribe my channel so you can get me in first morning. So I hope you like it. So it's time to buy. So bye, good night, good evening, good morning, wherever you are in this beautiful world. So